Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert photo to cartoon in Canva. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, this is the photo which I'm going to convert into cartoon, and for that we are going to use two filters of Canva which is for free. So now let me make copy of this photo so that I can show you both of those filters. So first of all, we just need to go to apps, and right here we are going to search for Cartoonify. And once you find it, just we have to select the image and click on the Cartoonify effect and just click on Cartoonify and replace. So yeah, this is what we got from our first filter, and now it's time for the second effect. For that we need to select the photo. Now here I'm going to type Animify. Now here we need to click on Animify and replace. So it will also take some time, and boom, there you go, we got the effect. And yeah guys, these are some effects which you can try in Canva to convert your photo into cartoon. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.